Hi, and welcome to another video. In this video, I'll show you how to install Google Tag Manager on Shopify. On your browser, open tagmanager.google.com. From here, click Create Account. Put your company name as your account name. I would put Tutorial 1. Choose the country where you're in on the list. Then let's go to Container Setup. We need to put the site of our Shopify store here. If you don't know, then you can go to your Shopify admin page, view your store, the eye icon, and then just copy and paste the link. Make sure to remove the unnecessary characters. All right, and then choose web, that is our target platform, and click Create. Once you see this pop-up page, scroll down. You can read this through. When you're done, click this part, and then go to the top right and click Yes. Once that's done, give it a few seconds to load. Now we have to copy and paste the codes below to our website. So let's head on first to our Shopify admin page and then go to Online Store. From here, right beside Customize button, you would see the 3-dot icon. Go ahead and click on that. And let's click Edit Code. Once you're here, we need to be under Layout and Theme.liquid. So here we go. We'll go back to Google Tag Manager, and it says here, paste this code as high in the head of the page as possible. Just click this copy icon here to copy the code. Go back to our Shopify, and it says head here. We recommend we put it under Meta section. So just click Enter, Control V or Command V or right click and click Paste. All right, we're done with the head part. And then let's go back, and it says here, paste this code immediately after the opening body tag. So again, click the copy icon. Then let's head back to our Shopify code. Now you have to scroll down to look for it, or easiest way would be on your keyboard, press Ctrl F to activate Find. And then from here, you can just type body and then press Enter. Here's our body tag. And then just right next to it. So make sure to enter and then Control V, Command V, or right click and paste. And then we're done here. Don't forget to save. All right. Once that's done, let's go back to our tag manager and just click OK. And then let's click submit. We can put version name, successfully added tag manager, Shopify. I'll just put it here as well. You can put whatever you want here, and then don't forget to click publish. All right, once that's done, just close it out and you're good to go. Here is our Shopify link for the store, and we have successfully installed our Google Tag Manager on Shopify.
If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel.